Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro Veo 3. We'll start by exploring its core capabilities and understanding what makes this version so powerful. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to access and set up the model for your own projects. Finally, we'll highlight the significant updates and improvements in Gemini Pro Veo 3, ensuring you're fully up to date. Gemini Pro Veo 3 offers impressive advancements. You can now explore its advanced natural language processing features, allowing for more nuanced and accurate text generation. It also boasts enhanced multimodal understanding, meaning it can process and integrate diverse inputs like images and audio more effectively. Plus, you'll notice significant improvements in overall performance and efficiency, making your workflows smoother.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: just like Gemini Pro Veo 3 helps you create, staying hydrated helps you think clearly. Stay refreshed anywhere with the amazing Oala water bottle. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Let's look at some practical applications. You can use Gemini Pro Veo 3 to generate incredibly creative content, whether you need compelling stories, engaging marketing copy, or even functional code snippets. It's also excellent for summarizing complex documents quickly and accurately, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, you can develop intelligent chatbots with significantly improved conversational flow and understanding. To get the most out of Gemini Pro Veo 3, follow these best practices. Always structure your prompts clearly and concisely to guide the model effectively, leading to much better results. Don't hesitate to experiment with different parameters and settings to fine-tune the outputs to your specific needs. Remember to always review and refine the generated content for accuracy and relevance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.